When you first start on your online business, you need to focus on income generating activities and you need to focus on getting recurring, consistent income coming into your business as soon as possible. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As mentioned before, we're going to be talking about how to get recurring income coming into your business using Google Ads. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go make some money. All right, so before we get into the screen, I need to explain to you why it's important to choose subscription-based products. And for subscription-based products, usually it's going to be softwares that people will use on a monthly basis. And you want to choose a product that is essential to a person's business or whatever they're using that for. So for example, if you choose an email autoresponder, someone will be using that email responder definitely because it's crucial for their business. So you want to choose softwares that are crucial for whatever use that is to make sure that the people stay. And usually people stay on between a year or two, sometimes even longer. And that means you will get those recurring incomes for at least that period of time. And I mean, that's just for one person. So you start to increase the number of subscriptions, then it starts to compound on each other. So where Google Ads comes in, we actually need to get people to sign up to free trials of the software. So usually if someone is searching for a free trial of a software, they've already been either advertised to, they know a bit about the software, they're ready to try it out. And of those people, out of 10 people that try out something, it depends on the software, but not all 10 will leave. Some will also stay, which means some will pay. And that means money, recurring income, which is what we want. So with the Google Ads, we're going to be targeting search terms in Google when someone is searching for, let's say, for example, build it all free trial. We want to be there, we want our link to be there, waiting for them to catch that commission. We didn't do any selling, we didn't do anything. Someone else has done the selling for us and our link is just waiting at the finish line. So this is a simple two-step method. Step one is to find a recurring subscription-based product to promote using Google Ads. And then step two is to actually run the Google Ads. So we're going to be going through both of those in this video. So the first step that we're going to do, we need to go to the site that will give us all of these softwares. That will give us a variety, a library of softwares to choose from that we can try promote. So we're going to go to the site called 𝗵𝗘𝗔𝗦𝗘 and this is a site that shows you all the different softwares in a variety of different categories, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to 𝗵𝗘𝗔𝗦𝗘 and then we're going to click software categories and then we're going to go to browse all categories. All right, so as you can see here, there's a whole bunch of different categories. There's so many softwares here. You can have a look, see what software resonates with you. But for this example, we're going to go straight to the else. We're going to go to landing page software because we're affiliate marketers, we create funnels, that's what we do. So for this example, I'm going to go for landing page software, but you can choose whatever you want and whatever software resonates with you when you are doing this yourself. All right, so if you look here, these are the highest rated softwares, right? So if we go to 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗧𝗏, I've already clicked on here and this is the website. We can see the website here, we can see what it's about. If we look at the pricing, so we can kind of get an idea of what commissions we'd be looking to get. These are good, this is good pricing. Essential 15, yeah. This is okay, but I would be looking more for a more higher earning subscription-based products, okay? But the main thing that we need to look at here is if we search for 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗧𝗏 in Google, let's search for free trial, okay? So there's currently no one running ads to the 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗧𝗏 free trial, right? So that means there's no competition, there's nobody running ads to the software. So you also want to avoid products with 0 reviews because you want to find a product that has demand. Okay. All right, then the next step after we found the product is to just double check that there actually is an affiliate program, because not all softwares, not all products have affiliate programs, but a lot of them do. So if we search 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗏 affiliate program, we can see here, okay, 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗏 affiliate program review and commission details. So if we click into that, okay. So we can actually see there is a way here to become an affiliate for this software. And if we go further down, we can see the 50% commission for the first year. Okay, so that means depending on the plan, depending on whether they choose essential or professional or premium, for the people that subscribe to the free trial, we are actually going to be getting well, in this case 7.5 or $25 per month, or gonna do that maths, half of that's $125 per month. Those are the recurring incomes that we're going to be getting on a monthly basis. All right guys, so I'm not going to sign up to that affiliate program. You can follow the steps to sign up to that program. It can be any software, again, as you mentioned. I'm going to go straight into Google Ads now, so I can show you how we get our affiliate link from signing up to the program, and then how we can use that for Google Ads. All right, so this is my Google Ads account, and what we are going to do is we're going to go to Tools. This is the Overview tab. We're going to go to Tools and Settings, Planning. Then we're going to go to Keyword Planner. Okay, then we're going to click Discover New Keywords. So depending on which region you're in, you are going to make sure that this is searching for the entire world, because these are softwares that anyone in the world can be using. Okay, so now we're going to be searching up Flowy. Okay, all right, so if you can see here, you can see this keyword has over 1,000 searches on a monthly basis. All right, competition is low, so not a lot of people know about the software. So that means that our cost per clicks will be lower because there's less competition. When there's more competition, the costs are going to be higher, because Google works on a bidding system. So if multiple people are running ads to the same search term, then the costs for those clicks are going to be higher. But if nobody's running ads, then Google will take whatever it gets. So that means we can change our strategy to make sure that our costs are as low as possible. And again, we're starting our online business, so we want to keep costs as low as possible. All right, so we're back in the dashboard, and we're going to click New Campaign to start a new campaign to run these Google Ads and make some money. All right, okay, so campaign objective, all we want is for our link to show up when someone is searching for the free trial of that software or searching for that software. So we are just gonna go for website traffic. We want people to go to that website, right? So website traffic is our campaign, our objective for this. And when it comes to this, you can just leave all of this. We don't need any conversion goals, because we're literally just driving clicks to the search term free trials, demo, any variant of a free trial, free plan, whatever, any variant of a free trial. That's all we're doing. We don't need to really track these conversions like that. Then if you go further down, select campaign type, we're gonna go for search, right? So video, that would be like YouTube, Discovery. They're also running on YouTube ads. I think Discovery ads are the ones that are like that don't pop up when you're showing a video. They just sit as a native ad on the platform. All right, so we're gonna click search, because we want our ad to only show up in the search when someone searches on Google, because that has the highest buyer's intent, because people are already looking for the free trial. That's what they want, and that's what our link is going to give them. Okay, and then over here we just name this. Okay, we'll just leave this like that for now. It doesn't really matter. Click continue. Okay, what do I want to focus on? We want this campaign to focus on clicks, and again, conversions is not going to really work, because we're not really driving sales. But we want clicks, because again, people are already searching for free trial, so we want them to click on our free trial link, so that they're more likely to stay on. Okay, so this is where the strategy comes in. Normally, if you have budget, you're gonna make this $9.99. So $9.99 doesn't mean that all of your clicks are gonna cost $9.99. It's just to get a sense of how much these clicks will actually cost. And then once maybe you've run that for about a week or two, you can start to see that, okay, these clicks are actually costing me maybe $2 per click, or $1 per click, or 60 cents per click, however much that is. And then you start to decrease this or increasing it depending on how many clicks you're getting. So first, start off low. My suggestion is start off low. So in this case, let's just say 1. We just want to pay $1 per click. Ideally, we'd want to pay like 50 cents, 40 cents per click, but we're just gonna go for 1, just to see that the campaign is actually moving. All right, so networks, we're gonna unclick display network. We only want to show on social network. This is only gonna finish your budget, and it's not really fit for purpose. It's not gonna help with what we're looking to do. Locations, we're gonna leave that all countries and all territories. Languages, leave it the same. Audience segments, we don't need to do any of this because it's a simple ad. It's just a free trial. We're targeting the keyword, right? So that's it, and we continue. What we're gonna do is we can click over here, and then we can copy this link. And what this will essentially do is just give us some ideas of search terms. But in this case, we already know which search terms we want. I was just doing this for illustrative examples. So let's go in, get keyword suggestions. All right. So already we can see that these keywords are not really what we're looking for. We're not looking for these keywords. We're looking for a free trial, right? So the keywords that we're gonna actually click. So we're gonna delete all of this. So these keywords are what was suggested to us. So we're not gonna use that. And we're just gonna use, so in this case, 𝗵𝗨𝗂𝗏 free trial. Okay, so as we see these keywords as they are right now, they're currently sitting as broad match. So what this means is that if someone searches anything that Google feels is similar to this 𝗵𝗨𝗏𝗏 free trial, they will show you ad to that search term, but that might not necessarily be the free trial. So to avoid that, we are going to do this. We're going to add these marks in, or these brackets for all of these, and I'm going to explain to you why we're doing that just now. All right, so what we've done now, we've now moved the keywords from broad to exact match. So exact match means that if someone is searching for 𝗵𝗨𝗏𝗏 free trial, our ad will only show in that instance. And again, we're not trying to spend too much money and try to find other keywords to get signups. We want only free trial. So we will open up these brackets and then make it an exact match keywords search. All right, so when you get to this screen, you need to add your final URL. So in this case, this would be your affiliate link. So I haven't actually created an account for this example, but I'm just gonna put this in here just as an example. So that would be this would be the affiliate link. So that's very important. You're not gonna put the actual website. You're gonna put your affiliate link because that's the link that they click when your ad pops up. Okay. So and then over here we can just say 𝗵𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏com/free plan. So what this means is that when it shows up on Google Ads, it's going to show up as 𝗵𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏com/free plan. This is not the actual website or the actual site. The actual site that it's going to go to is this affiliate link that you've put up here. And then you can continue to add in the headlines, 𝗵𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏 free trial, no coding skills required. So guys, if you're just wondering where I got this information from, you just get it straight from the website. So create beautiful branded flows, no coding skills required, drag and drop tool, etc, etc. So if you go here, you can see I've put, okay, these are some of the more generic ones. Okay guys, then when we get to extensions, you want to add some extensions. So I'm going to show you what extensions are. The reason why you want to add extensions is that it's gonna make your ad bigger. And you know, just the way people are and the way people like work is that if they see the thing that takes up the most space, they're just gonna think it's more legit and then click on that one. So that's why you want to add extensions. So these are some site link extensions that I already have on my account. So I've just added these in. You can just copy these, and of course the extensions you would need to add in the actual link, right, to where this is going. So you can see in this case, I said start your free account, build before you buy, sign up takes in less than 60 seconds. People don't really read this, but it's very important to increase the space in the actual ad. Okay. So I'm just gonna cancel that. I'm not gonna save that. And then I'm gonna click preview so you can have a look at how this looks. So it's gonna show up like this in your actual ad. So this is an ad that I was running at another stage. but it's gonna show up like this in your ad account. So another thing that you need to be doing is on the call out extensions. This is another one that you can add in just to, you know, increase the space that's taken up by your ad. And you know, when you increase that space, it's gonna mean that you're gonna get higher click-through rates, and then your actual ad cost, the way the bidding system works with Google, your ad costs are gonna drop. So if you click preview, you can see here, like, so we would have this, then we'll also have the side link extension, so you can see our ad is getting bigger and bigger, which is gonna increase the likelihood of people clicking on that ad. All right, and then if you really want to be fancy, you can add image extensions, you know, maybe to make it look a bit legit, right? And then in terms of the daily budgets, so we're starting off, so we're just gonna say $5 per day. So depending on how much, you know, how much budget you have, we're gonna go on $5 per day. But we can see here with this budget, we might not necessarily get the traffic. But don't just take what Google is saying, because Google sometimes will say these things, but you will get traffic. So rather continue with the campaign, try it out, see how it goes, and then take it from there, and then maybe make some adjustments here and there to your campaign. Okay. So yeah, and then you will just review all of that and make sure that everything is fine, and then you click publish campaign. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do the Google ads. Alright guys, so let me know your thoughts about this method. Let me know if you like this method, if you think it's gonna work for you, how you're gonna go about doing it differently. Leave your comment down below. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for the algorithm, 1,000 subs. The way this will work is if you take action, the results are there, it works. I promise you it works. So you just need to take action, practice, and then get better, and then you will get the results that you want. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. Stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye guys.